Hey guys, so I wanted to pop on. Sorry, I'm a little bit late today. We had our meeting this morning with all the third grade teachers and Mr. Muniza and Mrs. Stride. So we are working really hard to get together some assignments for next week. Okay, so with that in mind, there's a few things that I want you to know. Next week is going to be more of a workload than this week was. Okay, this week was just kind of a trial week where we're able to see who can log on, who can access the links, who's able to do the schoolwork. Next week, there's going to be like 3 assignments that you're going to complete a day. Okay. We're going to have a math assignment, a reading assignment, and a science assignment. So, one thing I do need you to do for next week in order for it to run smoothly is I do need you to log into BrainPop and I need you to set up your account on there. So, when you click on the BrainPop website, on the right-hand side, you're going to see something that says sign in using eSuite with Google. You're going to click on there. You're not going to log in where it says username and password. You're going to click in through the Google, and that's going to link you right to our classroom. Okay. I already have all of you set up in my classroom. So when I give you assignments next week, you'll be able to see it that way. But in order to complete your science assignment, you're going to have to go in through BrainPop. Okay. Again, it's going to be a little bit confusing for some of you. It's okay. I'm here if you have questions or you're not really sure where you're supposed to be going or what you're supposed to be doing. You're also going to continue to get ReadWorks assignments for reading, and we're going to do some different stuff for math. All right. So hopefully everybody finds those to be accessible. Again, if you have any questions or concerns or your parents are very confused, just reach out to me. I'm going to try the very best I can to answer all of your questions and all of your messages. All right. So let's focus on today because that's next week. So today is Tuesday, and today it's nice and sunny outside, as you can see from my window. So one thing I do want you to get outside to do today, if you can, is chalk your walk. So I've been seeing all over social media, all these different sites called Chalk Your Walk, and then Miranda posted a really cool video where she did some sidewalk chalk outside. So if you have sidewalk chalk, I want you to go videos if you have them. Miranda gave us a great idea. They kind of look like a painted glass. Yours doesn't have to be as fancy as that. If you want to, you can. If not, there's no need to. So I'm also going to try to do a cool little assignment this week, like a little science experiment with Madison. I'm going to try to make puffy sidewalk paint. So you can do it at home with your parents. That might be fun and something different. All right, so that's just stay tuned. So today, try to get outside. We're going to chalk our walk. So see if you can paint something nice, inspirational, or motivating outside the sidewalk chalk if you have any. If you don't, that's okay. Maybe draw us a picture of something that you think is fun. You guys so much. I know it's really weird not being in school this long, but I'm here to try to do anything and talk to you and answer any of your questions. I know Padlet seems to be working. Also interested, would you guys be wanting to do like a Google Meets where we can kind of all log on and do video conferencing? Let me know if that's something you might be interested in, or if you would have access to that. Let me know in the comments below or on Padlet to see if that's something that you might want to be doing. I can look into that. Again, I'm trying my best to find things that are going to keep us connected and keep us communicating with each other. So if you find anything or you stumble across any cool websites that you want to share, please, please, please let us know. Share them out on Padlet. Have your parents send me a message or remind. And bear with me. I'm learning all of this fancy technology stuff, as I'm sure your parents are or you are. So we're going to get through all of this together. All right. So a few assignments today. Make sure you log into BrainPop. Make sure you set up your account. You're going to log in through the eSuite at Google. So you can go into your Google thing, not the username or password. Second thing, get outside today and chalk your walk if you can. If not, draw a picture of what you would chalk on your walk if you were outside. All right. I think it's going to rain again.